4.5 years ago or so, really good friends of mine who used to live in the Vilcabamba area, Keisha and Casey, came to visit. They returned from California and they came to visit. And they were studying the soil food web at that point, taking soil tests. And as part of their examination is you have to take client soils and look at it under and do a full science data report and all your accounts. And because I had a microscope, because I do the live blood work, they came and they were working in my lab, and we totally geeked out together. And they chose some pretty prominent permaculture farms in the Vilcabamba area, including my own, and looking at all of our soils, and all of our soils came back pretty depleted with this science. So, I mean, it was a little confusing. It's like, hang on, I mean, we're all good gardeners, and we're using great materials, and we're all organic, so what is going on? And Keisha and Casey continued with their studies, and it'd be extremely inspiring for me. And they ended up helping me get a scholarship to do the foundation course. And as I was going through this process of learning about this soil food web and why it is so important, it was like, it's extremely humbling. You suddenly realize we've had it all wrong. When we come in and we force ourselves into the soil, whether it's organic or chemical, with nitrogen and phosphorus and calcium and adjusting the pH, and we're always attacking and at war with the pathogens and the fungi, and always amending the soil so the plants can live. And although some of these plants look amazing, and if you go to some areas around here, the broccolis are amazing, the tomatoes are amazing, the lettuces are amazing, they don't have the soil food web in them anymore. And I can say that because I've been testing soils in this local area. And I've been looking at soils, and it's like this all over the world. There's students saying the same thing. There's not too many soils left that have a full soil web inside of them. So now that I've finished my lab technician and I'm working on the consultancy training, now is time for me to start teaching other people about the importance of this microbe soil. Converting somebody into this regenerative agriculture is really giving them a gift. I mean, it does take some time to convert and regenerate over, but once they are, they retain more soil. They're not putting all the amendments in them anymore. They can actually breathe because they're no longer at war with their own gardens trying to figure everything out. We're bringing back full nutrition because it's the microbes that create this nutrition at the base of the plants, at the roots, that gives it to the plant. So we're going to be having these beautiful, healthy, abundant, fully nutritious plants. So it saves us time, it saves us energy, it saves us money, and it puts life back into our whole soils.